So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we're going to be learning how to do a very new flick up. So I don't know the actual name of this flick up, so let's just keep this as the squishing flick up. So this is a very easy flick up and just have 3 steps to do that. So step number 1, the placement. Place the ball on the ground and leave equal distances between your feet and the ball. So step number 2, the squat. While you're about to do the flick up, don't forget to squat, and while you're pushing the legs between each other, you're supposed to bring it together so that the ball pops up. While you're comfortable doing this, you have the last step, the step number 3, which is the pop. All you have to do in this step is that just push your leg between each other and let nature do its work. While you're pushing the legs between each other, the ball gets squished and then it pops up. So here's the pro tip. Use the inner part of your toes so that you can get the perfect height when you squish the ball. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos if you want to see more tutorials like this. So until the next video, it's Prashanth Balaji signing off. Peace.